Hey everybody, welcome back to the range. Really excited for this video. As you can see, I'm back at the same range. Gonna do some more ammo testing today. This is CCI TNT Green 22 Magnum. It is lead free. Now we can get into the political aspects of lead free later in a different discussion or in these comments if you want to, but it doesn't change that the federal government is starting to mandate on federal lands that you can't use lead ammunition, and there's a ton of reasons why, but lead still remains cheaper than all of the others. This is a 30 grain hollow point. We're going to use two of the same guns we've been using. We're going to use the CZ and the Marlin. After talking with a few people, until I get a scope put onto that Savage, I'm going to leave it out of this ammo testing. We'll pick it up later once I do get a scope put on it. I do want to say that this stuff was hard to find. But it was given to me, so this is kind of a sponsored video, my first ever. Mike at RK Shows gave me this and told me to do a video on it because he knew I was looking for it. Mike's been a follower of the page and the YouTube channel for quite some time. Of course, RK does gun shows in several states, but in Missouri, they're one of the 2 or 3 big promoters that do gun shows. So anyways, RK and Mike, thank you very much. This video is for you. So same range, like I said, we're at 25 yards. I've got my 2-inch circles out there. It's a bit colder. We're at the end of November now. I started doing these videos in late summer. I don't know if the temperature will have much of a difference, but as you can tell, lots of wind today. So it's a crosswind. Last few videos that we've had wind, it's been straight on. This time it is a crosswind, so I'll try to time my shots appropriately, but again, this is as scientific as it can be. This isn't controlled environment, all that. So without further ado, let's get loaded up and let's get shooting. Okay, so we're all loaded up in the CZ. Let's put some shots downrange. All right, we're all loaded up in the Marlin, and let's shoot these. let's go check out the results. Okay, so I can tell right off the bat with the Marlin group's better. Now, the CZ is low. That's because I've reset it in for 50 yards. So it's going to be low at the 25. Okay, so our vertical for this is 0.875 inches, which is well under an inch. And our horizontal is slightly better, but it's kind of in between. So we're going to round that up to a 0.875 as well. Now in the Marlin, our horizontal wow. I mean, it is just over half an inch. And our vertical is exactly half an inch. So I mean, you can see the results from there, how well those group. Now on the CZ, that's still a killing shot. At some point, I'm going to take all these out to 50 yards, and we'll see how they group there. But I'm actually very impressed with it out of that Marlin. Okay, so the TNT green, we just went over the results. Very good out of the Marlin. Serviceable, definitely serviceable. Anything under an inch is great out of that CZ. We'll say that we had one failure to fire. Now you saw in the video that I was able to reload it and it did go bang. It did have a primer strike the first time, so it wasn't a gun issue, it was an ammunition issue. So I'd like to thank RK Shows and Mike again for giving me that ammo, and I hope you enjoyed this, and thanks for watching.
Like bushy tail down, son. Or squirrely mites. That's what it ought to be.